How often do you guys see me wearing a hat?
Yeah, you can. It don't matter.
I'm Firestar Hart, live from the racetrack. I just got done racing. 2 races, 2 drag races.
We have another group.
Won, lost one. But the Firestar once again beat Devastator at something. And
won both of them.
Team TNF 3, Team D and J 1. And I don't know how triggered it is. I don't know how triggered Devastator is that I beat him, but that's another thing I beat my brother in.
He's in denial.
Who is? Oh, Devastator? Yeah.
He's in denial.
Can't believe his little brother beat him in a drag race. Well, I did. My purry little black truck got the jump, man. And I'm happy. But we got one race to film for you guys because now we're not racing anymore. Devastator is going to be taking on James. So I'm going to film that for you guys. And then might have a little bit more left coming for you guys. But Tornado, you got anything you want to say?
Oh, sweet. There was a woman driving that and she dusted the doors.
We just saw a woman dust the doors. Ain't that something? Anything you want to say?
I'm back.
Firestar Tornado. We out.
Peace.
It's time for Devastator to race. Let's see if Devastator can redeem himself on the track here.
He can drive, son.
And got lights. There we go! Devastator got the jump. He choked. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Yeah, it's a close one. I think he did. Yeah, man. Got it. Huh. Well, who knows? I don't know whose victory that was.
That was a close one. Your brother choked though.
He choked it.
Yeah, when he took off, he choked.
Yeah.
He hammered down, then he let off of it when he was coming off the line. He beat himself if he got beat.
Hell, if Devastator did indeed lose that race, he beat himself, folks. Yeah. I'm not exactly sure who won that one. But anyway, here comes Big James right now. So we're gonna follow Tornado.
That Rebel's the only one with 30-day tags.
So James, how did it feel not having anyone to frickin' race right there?
Dude, the last time I did that, I had them two in the drive.
Grandpa, this is my
Say hi.
Letty says
Hey
hi.
everybody. Hey everybody. I don't know if everybody's in the frame.
They're about to go.
Letty
my
says
niece.
hi, everybody.
Take him.
Hi, Daddy.
There's Devastator. Devastator over here, folks.
Not the best, smart aleck, but he choked.
Did he lose that one too?
Yes. Dakota lost.
Dakota lost.
Oh, okay.
Good job, Dad.
So you won? You got that one?
Yes. Sorry, Dakota.
Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah.
That's fun, though.
Rad slip. Dude, that's a rad Slipknot shirt, man.
Anytime to go fast.
I was matching muscle tee.
Win or lose.
Yeah. That's nice. Alright, so Devastator did get a win. We're all walking away with at least one win tonight. But I think the biggest story is Tornado with 2 in a row. I think an even bigger picture is Firestar beat Devastator. Hey, John. Hit him in. Number 1. Team TNF, man. Firestar Tornado. We'll be back later on, guys. Snake bite. Snake bite, everybody. Finally getting a little bit of a start. My old truck's over there. Got Bigfoot, Warhorse, Snakebite, Ice Cream Man, Raminator, and a bunch of other cool trucks. So we'll be right back with some monster truck footage. All right. Quick preview.
He's the one that does the backflip.
More horses. Oh hell. Now Warhorse backing in there. Like he was doing a slight checkup there.
I see cars.
I do too. Here we go with little truck here. We're gonna see exactly what this kid's made of. I think we're getting a start. Hey, yeah, he seems the part pretty good. Hart just about as good as me. By the way, folks, I am a okay driver, I suppose. I can keep shit straight. That's a good thing. Kaci might be impressed. Johnny was teasing me earlier. But 1-1, lost one. So 1-1, not bad drag racing record so far. Off to a good start. All right, here we go. I think this kid's about to start, so let's get it back on the track. I don't know if he's starting yet or. Is he gonna actually jump? That's what I want to know, if he's gonna actually jump. Race cars. Oh, we're off in the distance over here, people. We got race cars about to come out. Boogity boogity, we're about to go racing. Some quad racing, everybody. Team Red is Virginia. Team Blue is New Jersey. I don't know what Team Green is. So, oh, we got a wreck. Oh, we got a wreck. We got a wreck. Oh, and he's hopping back on. That's right. Yeah, we got Blue in the lead. Red's in second, though. Oh, look at Red popping a wheelie. And now, here we go. Red and Blue are neck and neck. There we go again. Next lap. We're on about lap 4 right now, am I correct? It's about lap 4. Oh, Red getting stalled. The other Red guy getting stalled there. But we got got one right up here. He's going neck and neck with Jersey. Oh, look at that. 3 wide, 3 wide. Good God almighty, Kane, 3 wide. Red in the lead right now, but blue is not giving up 1 bit. They're not giving up 1 bit here, folks. Red and green duking it out now. Oh, here comes blue again. And we got looks like we got another. White flag, white flag. Oh, here we go for the checkered flag. Who's gonna get it? Is it gonna be Virginia? Is it gonna be Jersey? Who's it gonna be? Oh, one last gasp. Who's gonna do it? It's gonna be New Jersey. New Jersey wins. New Jersey wins the quad race. By a hair. I don't even know what that other team was that was in second right there.
Said you won't be able to see.
Was that another red team that was in second, or was that green? Or was that was a red in second? No. Well, everybody, New Jersey wins the quad race. We'll be back. More footage. Rock. Say what's up. Yo! Face the camera, dude. Face the camera, dude. Can't hear. Yo, Tornado. Face the camera, dude. And we'll be back with some more coverage. I don't know what's up next, but whatever's next, I'll be sure to try and cover it for you guys. Man, Van Halen time. Oh, that passes. Out of the road here.
It's okay.
Oh, he's gonna get there. Look at Ice Cream Man go. Once again, whoa! And a burnout. The Ice Cream Man showing out. Showing off a bit. And there's Rob, everybody. Rob comes right as the Ice Cream Man wraps up his run. Say hi, Rob, and hi, Alien. Ice Cream Man, everybody. Alright, here comes green. Not sure who this one is. Getting on. lengthy one. He had a pretty lengthy run. Starts over to small right there. Whoa! 2 wheels. My Bigfoot. And now Bigfoot back again. Cost him some points there. And back in. Everybody. All right. We are green flag racing up here on the other rim at the Motor Mile. Standing behind a pillar to film all this, by the way. What's the alien's name?
Alien.
Alien.
From another world.
Well done, Tornado. Alright, here we go. And we're at the green flag racing up here on the Motor Mile.
Alien Jeffy.
There we go. Whoa! got a freaking already with the caution. And then we're only like one lap in this. We're only one lap in this fucker here, and we're back to a caution.
Hey, Robbie, did you get that on film? Okay.
Oh yeah, we're filming this race. Well, folks, we are. I believe we're at a. I believe the race is at a stop, or is it a caution? What is Tornado? Is the race a stop or a caution?
Well, they got the caution lights on, but I believe it's, they stopped it to clean up the track.
A slight stop to clean up. All right. Here's our current lineup that we have right here. Number 20. And whatever number's next to it's on the outside. We're on the outside row here. They are your leaders right now. And we got number 22 in the back row. We got 19 and 8 right here. And then in the back, we got 95. And I believe that is an 83. Yes. Yes, it is. And I believe we have a racer out. That is in number 26. Am I correct? Am I correct, Tornado? That's number 26 is out? Yes, number 26 is wrecked out of the race, folks. Oh, I can bet he's pissed. Devastator over here watching the race. And we are at a stop right now. YouTube, this is our Saturday night, YouTube. First time the Saints have covered racing. Something. We're gonna be at a stop here. And folks, right now with this, we are going to take a quick commercial break, or AKA just break it here. And we'll be back when they go back to racing. Gotta conserve the battery life. So we'll be right back once the race picks back up. 420 just blazed. We're back on the Green Flag Racing up here at the Motor Mile. Got the track cleaned up, everybody's been taken care of. And now we are rocking again, folks. I am your host, Firestar. And there we go. Finally, we're going to make progress here. Number 20 in the lead right now. 93 in second place. 95 in third. The number 1 car in fourth. And 19 sitting last. And another number, we got number 8. We got 883. We have a total of, looks like it's 6 cars on the track. 2 laps in. And of course, joining me on commentary, Tornado over here. Give him a boogity, team. And now, number 83 in the lead. So it seems lap 4. position here. We are on lap 8, folks. And the rest of this race so far going straight as they can. Left turn after left turn after left turn. These folks are giving it all they got, Tornado. Number 20 holding a strong lead. Uh-oh, well, we got it. Oh, it looked like we had another fender bender there. Let's go down. We are on lap 9, I believe. Lap 10. We are on lap 10, ladies and gentlemen. You can see people walking around in the crowd here. As we go. Lap 11. You can see the other cars crossing here. Here comes number 20 back around. Number 20 is having a great night tonight running. He is really in the lead here. Lap 12. Tornado, Tornado number 20 is holding a very strong lead tonight. I think it's safe to say he may be the favorite. Lap 13, number 20 in the lead. Here comes the other people, other races around. And back around to the number 20. Miles ahead of second place. You can see here, this track is really split. Lap 14. Number 20. Number 20's got this one in the bag, folks. I think it's safe to say. Here comes everybody else. Number 20 already back around. I'm going with number 20 tonight, folks. He is just running too damn good. We are down to 5%, folks. 16 laps in. And we are probably going to have to switch devices soon, folks. We are going to have to switch cameras here soon. We are running out of life force. And we got a caution again, folks. We will be right back. We have another caution on lap 16.
I know.
Number 20 holding a very impressive lead. And we'll be right back, folks.